Okay, I'm gonna introduce my app I created recently. It looks like that Discord, but it's so simple than Discord. So here, let's get started. It's super simple. Yeah, this is my app. User can create a room, like room for anyone. So I can't come up with anything. Yeah, for anyone. Then yeah, when I log out and logging as another. Okay, another account. Then you can see this. I logged in with another account. Then enter this room and I can write a comment on this room, like hey. Then this user should be added as a participant. So yeah, let's continue. Then you're not allowed, like even now if you're not the user who created this room, you can't edit this room, like you are not allowed. Then go back to home page and yeah, this user created this room and enter there. Then I can edit resume. It's kind of authentication. Then if we write a comment on any room, you can be added in recent activities. You can see recent activities on right side, and left side these are topics. These are created earlier. Then yeah, it rooms available or something like that, and we can edit our user, and we can pick any picture, then update. Then we can change our profile photo. Then we can see our own posts created earlier. Then yeah, recent activities of my own. Yeah, that's it. It's so simple, but yeah, it took time for me. Yeah, we can search room. It includes some grid. Then we can see only room that includes the word I entered. So that's it. Okay, it's so simple app, but yeah, it's my first Django app. So yeah, I'm so happy with this. So, okay, thank you for watching this boring damn video till the end. And yeah, my English is not good, but yeah, I'll do my best. I'll do my best at anything like learning English, programming, artificial engineering, artificial intelligence. Sorry. So yeah, I'll improve my any skills. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and see you.